Today, Markel and Trey are visiting a construction site. What will they see? Let's find out.
Wow, Trey. Look at all the big machines.
They're huge! What do they all do?
Hi, builders. I'm Miss Gemma. Want to meet the construction crew?
Yes!
This is Ella the excavator. She digs deep holes with her big bucket.
I scoop and dig all day long. Dig-a-dig-dig, that's my song.
Can I dig like Ella?
With a shovel, sure. Let's keep going.
Scoop the dirt, make a hole, excavators on a roll.
Who's that pushing all the dirt?
That's Dozer Dan, the bulldozer.
I clear the land so we can build. Watch me push with strength and skill.
Push the dirt, clear the land, bulldozer works just like planned.
This is Mixie the cement mixer.
Spin, spin, mix it right, pouring cement all day and night.
She's like a big spinning bowl.
That's right. She mixes the glue to hold buildings strong.
Mix and spin, mix and spin. Cement mixer's job begins.
Whoa, he dumped all that.
Say hi to Tippy the dump truck.
I carry loads, then tip them out. I beep, 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 and then I shout, ready to dump.
Haul the rocks, dirt, and clay, dump it out, and drive away.
Look how teamwork makes it happen. Each machine has a job.
Excavator digs.
Bulldozer pushes.
Mixer spins. Dump truck tips.
Building takes teamwork, just like playing with friends.
Big machines, strong and tall, help us build things big and small. Work together every day, building things the safe way.
Thanks, Miss Gemma.
Keep building and stay curious.
See you next time, builders. Don't forget to like and subscribe.